Happy birthday, America! 4th of July. Did a little riggins to our old wagon over here. The ghetto wagon. Yeah, I had that little leaky do over there. Leaky do, leaky da. Alright, so that's the Impala little valve. It's leaking in the bottom. Smell coolant. Oh, that's because that's leaking again. They need a new cap. They don't even make those anymore, but off topic. But I goobered it up with some high temp RTV, the yellow stuff, like not yellow stuff, orange stuff, the high temp like I used on that intake. That stuff's okay. A lot of people are big fans of it. I like the right stuff better. What is it? The ultra copper. This is right stuff. I like right stuff better than ultra copper. But let's see if this thing leaks. Real time, real time. Still have not tested this car. Let's see if the evap canister fixed it. I don't know if you... I can't speak. I don't even know if I uploaded a video of that either. Me repairing that, but it does not stink in here like raw fuel anymore. So that's better. Fuel pump. Starts off fast. That new canister, even when it's cold, it used to start to take a lot longer. Old 305 hum. Alright, not smelling exhaust. Finger test. Oh, finger test. I ain't feeling nothing. Nope. Nope. Not leaking. Sweet. How long will that last? I don't know, maybe a day. Get you out of the state. Look at her run. Yeah. Good car. Should really get working on that oil pan, because I'm off till what, Sunday. Shit. Yeah, VW Darren, you want to paint this baby? Yep. Your road. We had a BMW, was it 530i? The newer ones. And it had a Euro roof. I think it was a wrap vinyl. Looked kind of cool. It was white. Look, this thing's stinking up the garage. Air still work? Air turns on, look at that. They're cooling down fast. Sweet. Good car. That's all for today. Purpose of this video. Can rig. Why can't I speak? I need to drink some more water. It's drying out. You can rig it with ultra copper. Alright, fix the Oldsmobile. It's getting nice again in this state. It's raining every day. No complaints with that. Cool out. D-Rock. And freaking weed whacker's not working again. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. So look at that. Fuel bowl cracked. Hopefully I can get one of these things. I think this piece of rubber just popped right off of this. I don't want to screw up my gasket either, because this thing's antique. You can't get parts for it. So that's what we're left with for now. Son of a bitch. Look at all the contaminants on the screen. I should clean that out over there. So that's what we're up against now. Damn it. And I was looking at this thing too, the age of it and how old that was. I was like, you know what? I bet that's gonna break soon. And sure enough, it broke. How dirty the Impala is. Yeah. Pretty dirty. Good weather to clean this thing up too. Clean up the car, or you change the oil pan gasket, or fix the weed whacker. I vote on changing the oil pan. Or fixing that. Break this car some more, and I break those manifold bolts. We add a commission. Damn it. This video is brought to you by AutoZone Carb Cleaner. It quickly dissolves stubborn carbon deposits. Photo zone. Oh yeah, so what do you think I found it? Trash? Trash found? What do you think?